Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Volvo XC60. Any screen, it's on phone at the moment, we click on nav there. You can't really see anything there, so nothing's showing. Click on nav again. Now, set address. See, we're on set address there. Point of interest itinerary, but set address. OK. City, but we want postcode, so we click OK. That's onto city. And then you'll see 1, 2, 3 more arrow sideways and postcode. So I have to turn this now, there you go, until postcode's highlighted. Click OK. Now we can put the postcode in. So we'll go back to the letters, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howelton, Preston, P, R. We now need numbers, so it's highlighted numbers there, so we'll click OK for numbers, and then go down 5, 4. It's gone back to ABC there, so click OK for ABC, and then we want E, A. PR5 4E8. Now we have to click OK again, even though we just typed that in. Set as single destination, OK.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
That's it done. Not the easiest system in the world to do, but once you've done it a couple of times, it's second nature. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.